आज की वीडियो बहुत तगड़ी होने वाली है कि मेरे पास दो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्मार्टफोन्स हैं. आई हैव द Mi 11 Lite and I also have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with me. Both these smartphones are from Xiaomi and both of them are positioned in the sub rupees 25,000 segment. Now they also come with a similar set of specifications. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has a better 108 megapixel camera on board, while the Mi 11 Lite comes with a 64 megapixel main camera. And it is time to test their real world performance, and I thought it would be a very fun camera comparison video. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. For the better understanding, what I've done is I've divided this comparison into 6 different categories. We're going to compare the image samples in close-up shots, wide shots, portrait shots, ultra-wide angle shots, night shots, and also selfies. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give both these smartphones points basis their performance in these categories, and at the end of the video we'll come to our conclusion and have our winner. Meanwhile, what you have to do is, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to India Today Tech. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Now let's get started. Let's have a look at the camera specifications of both these smartphones. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max features a 108 megapixel primary camera, a second 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a third 5 megapixel macro camera, and a fourth 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Mi 11 Lite has a triple rear camera setup that consists of a 64 megapixel primary camera, a second 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a third 5 megapixel macro camera. Both the smartphones have 16 megapixel cameras on the front for selfies and can record 1080p videos at 30 fps. Starting with the close-up shots, the colors definitely look better on the Mi 11 Lite. The first picture has come out brighter on the Mi 11 Lite, and the dynamic range also looks better. The orange color looks more natural and toned down on the Mi 11 Lite, while the Note 10 Pro Max has boosted it a lot. Even the wooden stand at the bottom has been recreated better on the Mi 11 Lite. The second image that I have here of this Captain America figurine is brighter on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max for sure. You can zoom in and see that the Captain America text and his shield are sharper on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. It has definitely captured better details here because of a high resolution lens. The third image of this Kurkure packet was taken indoors and is quite identical in terms of color reproduction and detailing. The image on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is slightly brighter, but that's only noticeable after zooming in. Coming to the human subjects, the Mi 11 Lite offers more natural skin tones, while the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max offers better details and more sharpness. Unfortunately, the Note 10 Pro Max again boosts the colors to the point where they look unpleasant. Just look at my red t-shirt in this case, which was overexposed. Now it's clear that it is very difficult to choose a winner in close-up shots. The Mi 11 Lite definitely has a better color reproduction, while the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max captures more details. So what I'm going to do is I will give both of them a point each. For the wide shots, let's start with the image of these plants in my gallery. You don't have to be a photographer or tech expert to notice that the image is more pleasant on the Mi 11 Lite. It captures more details, light and colors. You can zoom in on either side of the image to see that leaves are washed out on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The second image I have is of this building next to my house, which looks identical in both the pictures. You can again zoom in on each corner and find similar amount of details. The only major difference I can spot here is the sky, which has a purple hue on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now this third image was taken on a warm afternoon under harsh sunlight, and the Mi 11 Lite has again done a remarkable job. The yellow color on the building is boosted on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and even the leaves appear greener than they actually are. Again, the Mi 11 Lite does a better job at color reproduction, and it gets my point for the wide shots. This is one area where both the smartphones disappoint with their color processing. The portrait shots on both Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and Mi 11 Lite are oversaturated. The colors in the close-up shots are boosted, but the Mi 11 Lite does a better job of separating the subject from the background. The edge detection is good on both the devices, as you can see in case of human subjects. The Mi 11 Lite has washed out the sky here and made it appear pink. On the other hand, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has better shadows and still retains details in the background. So I'm gonna give the point to the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max just because we tend to capture more people in portrait mode than objects. So the score is 2-2. The first image with the ultra wide angle camera was taken in the evening right before a dust storm. The images on both the phones look similar from far away, but differences are noticeable as you zoom in. The flag on the right side is visible on the Mi 11 Lite after zooming in, but is completely washed out on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The text on the garbage cart is readable on the image captured by the Note 10 Pro Max, but not on the Mi 11 Lite. The second image clicked during afternoon again looks identical from far out. However, the sky is more natural on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max and feels orangish on the Mi 11 Lite. The color of leaves and trees is also better on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max beats the Mi 11 Lite when it comes to the ultra wide angle game and takes a lead. Now the score is 3-2 in favor of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. It almost feels like a shame to compare the macro lenses on both these phones because they are probably the best in this segment and we have to pick a winner, so here we go. The images are almost identical on both the smartphones. The first image here is sharp on both phones. The difference is the colors, and the Mi 11 Lite has done a better job here. The second image also looks better on the Mi 11 Lite because of the same reason. The wooden stand was better recreated by the Mi 11 Lite, and this image has also come out sharper on the Mi phone. So here we go again, it's deuce 3-3. Moving on to the selfie camera. The Mi 11 Lite beats the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max hands down when it comes to selfies. The images from the camera are sharper, have more details and maintain the skin tone better as well. This also applies to the selfies clicked in the portrait mode. So it makes it 4-3 in favor of the Mi 11 Lite. Again, the night shots look very similar on both the phones. The colors on the wall have come out punchy, but if you zoom in, you can see that the text is crispier on the Mi 11 Lite. The second image I have below is of the tall building. Both the images are identical, have equal amount of detailing, and if you zoom in, the objects are blurred equally as well. However, the building color has come out more natural on the Mi 11 Lite. The front camera on both these phones underperform in low light conditions, and I don't even want to waste time talking about selfies. Check them out yourself and decide. So another point for Mi 11 Lite, and it wins with a score of 5-3. It's clear from our image samples that the Mi 11 Lite outscores the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. It definitely performs better across light conditions, handles skin tones a lot better. Also, the colors captured by the Mi 11 Lite are also more natural to what they should be. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, on the other hand, does a good job with the ultra wide angle shots as well as the macro shots. But this is just my reading of both these phones and their camera performance. I would still want to know what you guys think. You have seen all the images across light conditions and through different lenses. So what do you think? Which phone is better? Is it the Mi 11 Lite that you would pick, or is it the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you so very much for watching this video.